Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a quick unboxing on the new Core i7-2600K by Intel. Alright, right off the back, the first thing I notice on the box is the i7-2600K and socket LGA 1155 compatibilities. Anyways, one thing you should know about this processor is that it will not work on 1156, so if you try to plug this into an 1156 socket, you will most likely burn out the processor. I'm not sure. It just won't work, that's all I know. Anyways, here's a quick look at the processor itself, because Intel has kindly provided a nice little cutout on the top of the box, but then again, you do not buy a processor to look at the processor. Okay, this is the unlocked and unleashed version, meaning it is completely different to the 2600 version, which has Intel HD 2000 and is locked. This features the Intel 3000 graphics, and is fully unlocked, meaning you can overclock this thing to about, I believe, 7.2. Yeah, 7.2 gigahertz. At least on the P67 GD65, that's all I know. Anyways, right on the box it says it features 4 cores, 8-way multitask processing, meaning it has 8 threads. Turbo Boost Technology 2.0, Hyper-threading Technology, Intel HD Graphics 3000, Smart Cache Technology, Integrated Memory Controller, supports up to 2-channel DDR3 memory, which I think that's kind of a bummer because, you know, the 1366 socket processors, those high-end ones from back in like 2008 or something, had triple channel, and this is 2011 and we're still in dual channel, which is kind of sad. Anyways, it comes with a 3-year warranty, so if you break it, hell, send it in. Get another replacement. Anyways, I have 2 of these babies because, I mean, these things are also pretty cheap. You can buy these for around $300 to $330 Canadian. About the same thing for American as well. And anyways, yeah, let's take this thing out of the box. Bear with me, I am using one hand to hold the camera and one to unbox the processor itself. This processor package comes with a stock cooler, so don't have to worry about buying another one, but I do suggest that you do, because you can see here we've got the standard Intel heatsink fan solution to cooling up virtually nothing. This will basically overheat and ruin your processor. Well, no it won't, I just hate these stock coolers, you know. I think AMD has better ones. Anyways, here's the processor itself, take it out of this nice little packaging. Ta-da! 2600K, I don't think you'll be able to see the fancy little writing there. Very fine. No, you will not be able to see it. Anyways, on the processor, you can see here we've got no pins on the processor itself. The pins will be on the motherboard, so Intel took this, I guess, not stress, but the customer concern of bending pins on the processor to bending pins on the motherboard. Well, that's not really a problem. Anyways, thank you for watching my quick unboxing of the 2600K i7 by Intel. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day.